Hi, and welcome. We're so grateful you're here. Thank you for saying yes to yourself by joining us for Rooted in the Unknown, the first module in our Clarity series. Whether you found us through our podcast, our mailing list, or just a quiet inner nudge, you're exactly where you're meant to be. In a world that constantly asks us to plan, push, and produce, Rooted in the Unknown is an invitation to pause, to breathe, and to come home to the present moment. This 7-day experience is designed to support you in times of uncertainty or transition. It's about anchoring yourself, mind, body, and soul, so that even when life feels unclear, you feel steady, present, and rooted. Maybe you're navigating a season of change. Maybe you're craving more peace, clarity, or direction. Or maybe you're just ready to reconnect with yourself on a deeper level. Whatever brought you here, we honor it. And we honor you for taking this step in your personal growth journey. Here's a quick overview of how to make the most of your journey. You'll find 7 short audio practices, 1 for each day, each about 6 to 8 minutes long. Every audio includes a guided breath or presence practice, a short teaching, and a reflection prompt. If you prefer to listen offline, we've included downloadable audio files for each day. And if you're more visual, Matt has created these beautiful companion videos with imagery that flows with the message. These are available for viewing directly inside the Kajabi platform or the app. Each day also includes a journal prompt and a micro movement suggestion. Small, simple ways to engage your body and energy. So be sure to download your module materials before you begin. That includes the 7-day reset journal, the 7 audio MP3 files, the audio companion guide with all the daily scripts, and your micro movement guide. You'll find all of those right here in this welcome and orientation lesson. We've also included the individual downloads in each of the applicable lessons. So here's a gentle reminder. This is not about perfection. You can move through the 7 days in order or at your own pace. There's no right or wrong way to show up here. All we ask is that you bring your breath, your presence, and your willingness to just be with what is. So take a breath, set your intention, and let's begin the journey together, rooted, present, and open to what unfolds. Welcome to Rooted in the Unknown. Let's begin.